Surf life-saving drones are being deployed to stop the spread of COVID-19. They'll be able to spray disinfectant, resulting in rapid decontamination of public places.
Sweeping over a beachside park, the next stage of sanitisation. Able to spray an area the size of a football field in just 13 minutes.
The drones can spray up to 2 litres a minute. We can put these down any public areas to get into the hard-to-reach areas.
The repurposed irrigation drones also carry speakers to warn the public.
This is an announcement from a drone.
The designers have entered negotiations with state governments to start work on public areas like parks, train stations and schools, with a sanitiser made from ozone, proven to kill coronavirus.
Once it's done the job of killing viruses, it breaks down to water and oxygen. And it's completely safe for humans. You could take a shower in ozonated water and have no adverse effects.
And operated remotely would keep sanitation workers off the streets. It's not just about safety, but speed as well. Somewhere like here at Martin Place would take a worker between 6 and 7 hours to spray by hand. One of these drones could do it in just 90 minutes. It's why China employed more than 12,000 drones across Wuhan. Discussions have already begun in New South Wales with interest from multiple parties. Cameron Price, 7 News.